Hi, today I talk about my shopping experience. Last week I need to buy a new t-shirt for summer. I went to a shop near my house. The shop is small but had many nice clothes. I walked around and looked at some t-shirts. I found a blue one that I really like. I price was $18, which I thought was a good deal for a good quality sheet. The shop artisan was very friendly. He helped me find the right size and even gave me some advice on what color would look good with sheet. I feel happy my purchase I several was great and I was satisfied with the price. I think I will visit that shop again soon because it got very inspired. Thanks for listening.